Welcome to Tashi and Mimi's Kids Learning.
Orangutan. The great apes are native to the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia. Orangutan spends most of their time on trees and has long, powerful arms. Cheetah. The fastest land animal, a cheetah, is a lightly built spotted cat that can be identified by its small rounded head, black tear-like facial streaks, short snout, deep chest, long but thin legs, and a long tail. Leopard. A large spotted cat that is native to Africa and Asia. Leopards are closely related to tigers, lions, and jaguars. Elephant. Elephants are the largest living land mammals with massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. Wolf. An animal that is the largest non-domestic member of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves inhabit vast areas of the northern hemisphere. Antelope. Antelope, an even-toed hoofed mammal. There are a total of 91 species referred to as antelopes, but they are not taxonomically related. Koala. A type of mammal called marsupials. Koalas give birth to underdeveloped young who live in pouches until they are mature enough to leave. Raccoon. Any of 7 species of nocturnal mammals characterized by bushy, ringed tails. Hippopotamus, commonly known as hippo. Hippopotamus is a large semi-aquatic mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa. Alligator. A large reptile that can grow from 8.2 to 11.2 feet in length. The teeth of alligators are lost and replaced throughout their lifetime.